Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Timotheus and today we're diving into the world of email marketing. If you're ready to supercharge your engagement levels and take your campaigns to new heights, you're in the right place. I'm excited to share with you the top 10 email marketing best practices. Let's get started. First up, we have segmentation, the key to successful email marketing. Understanding your audience is crucial. By segmenting your email list, you can tailor your content to specific groups, delivering messages that truly resonate. It's time to dive into the nitty-gritty details and watch your engagement skyrocket. Now let's talk about compelling subject lines. Did you know that 47 of email recipients open emails based on the subject line? Crafting a compelling subject line is like having a golden ticket to the inbox. Leverage curiosity, have FOMO, fear of missing out, and humor to grab attention instantly. Remember, brevity is the soul of wit. Keep it short, snappy, and impossible to resist. Moving on to personalization, making every email feel like a one-to-one connection. Inject a personal touch by addressing your recipients by name and tailoring content to their preferences. When subscribers feel like you're speaking directly to them, engagement becomes a natural response. It's not just an email, it's a conversation. In a world glued to smartphones, mobile optimization is a must. More than 50% of emails are opened on mobile devices. Ensure your email is mobile responsive and looks great on all devices. Don't miss out on the engagement opportunities just because your email isn't mobile ready. Value over volume, my friends. Deliver compelling contents that your audience craves, whether it's educational, entertaining, or inspiring. Quality content keeps subscribers hooked and eagerly anticipating your next email. People want to read engaging, entertaining, and informative emails. So make your copy casual, fun, and easy to read. Now let's talk about the guiding star of your email, the clear call to action. Whether it's making a purchase or signing up for an event, make sure your CTA is crystal clear and irresistibly clickable. Lead your audience down the path you want them to take. Timing matters more than you think. Nail the perfect send time by understanding your audience's habits. A well-timed email can be the difference between being open and being ignored. Test different send times to find the sweet spot for your specific audience. A/B testing. Continuously refine your approach. Experiment with different elements of your emails and analyze the results. This process allows you to fine-tune your approach, ensuring every email is optimized for maximum engagement. Keep a close eye on your mail metrics, from open rates to click-through rates. These numbers are your compass. Regularly analyze the data, learn from it, and adapt your strategy accordingly. Being data-driven ensures you're always on the pulse of what resonates with your audience. Last but not least, respect your subscribers' choices with an easy and respectful opt-out process. A positive experience, even when leaving, can leave a lasting impression. It's about building trust and respecting your audience's autonomy. And there you have it, 10 email marketing best practices that will transform your campaigns from ordinary to extraordinary. Remember, it's not just about sending emails, it's about creating meaningful connections with your audience. I encourage you to implement these practices in your next email campaign and watch the magic happen. If you're ready to take your email marketing game to the next level, I highly recommend checking out System. Get your free System account. Click on the link in the description below, and get your free account at System. Cheers to thriving email campaigns and boundless engagement. Until next time, happy emailing. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for joining me today. I wish you good health, wealth, and success.